Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today we are back again to our epoxy resin project. I'm gonna build a tabletop measuring at 600 by 600 mm using my favorite tree, Bakau or Mangrove, with the combinations of Home Store HL310 epoxy resin. First thing first, let's go and get our mangrove tree. These are the Bakau or mangrove trees, commonly used in Malaysia for foundation piling. Come, let's go have a closer look. I'm gonna choose the bigger piece for my tabletop. Next, I'm gonna cut the Bakau tree trunk into slices using a miter saw. Each of the slices should be about 4 to 5 inches in diameter with a thickness of 2 inches. Look at these beautiful slices of Bakau tree trunk, and we are going to let it air dry for a couple of days. Next, we are going to chip away the dry skin here using a chisel or a scraper. Oops, I think I've gotten myself greedier. So instead of 600 by 600 mm table size, I'm going for 600 by 900 mm. Now let us start to arrange the slices of Bakau or mangrove tree for the tabletop. Hi! Sorry for the interruption. Are you equally excited to find out what happened to my Bakau 3 epoxy resin tabletop? Please make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of the video. Bye bye for now.